Welcome to Manifest the Big Stuff, your weekly check-in and tune-up to empower your intentional manifesting in accord with new paradigms from quantum physics. This is an empowering episode, all about one of my very favorite topics, intentionally manifesting money. Today, I'm going to explain my most famous quantum manifesting tool, my penny experiment. I'll divulge how this simple technique allows you to use the joy, confidence, and empowerment that comes from successfully manifesting something before you manifest it. And I'll reveal exactly how to start performing my penny experiment right now and start manifesting more money right now. I'm Greg Kuhn, the Law of Attraction Science Guy, author of the life-changing Why Quantum Physicists book series, and your host. This is going to be an amazing episode. Let's get started. The easiest things to manifest are the ones you're already manifesting. It's far simpler to manifest more of something than to manifest it for the first time. What's the quickest way to get a loan? Don't need the loan. Ironically, the more you need a loan, the lower your chances of getting it, or of getting it on your terms. Now, what's the easiest way to manifest something? Don't need it. Ironically, the more you need something, the lower your chances of manifesting it, or of manifesting it on your terms. When you're joyous, confident, and empowered, you're being successful. And when you're successful, you're joyous, confident, and empowered. When you're successful, you don't need to be successful. You already are. When you're not successful, though, all of a sudden, you need to be. And that's when your intentional manifesting flow slows down or even stops, right when you need it the most. Obviously, the state of being you want to manifest something the way you want it is joyous, confident, and empowered. Because when that is your state of being, you're successful. You're manifesting it as you desire. But the fact remains, you're not listening to manifest the big stuff, to manifest things you're already manifesting splendidly. The desires you're here to intentionally manifest are usually the ones you're missing. You're here to find them. Do you want things you already have? I'm not talking about being grateful for them. I'm talking about desiring to have them, needing to have them, to resolve pain and difficulties, to introduce freedom and peace of mind. The best parts of your reality are filled with desirable things and experiences. Things and experiences you're having and for which you're grateful. In these parts of your reality, you feel joyous, confident, and empowered because you're successful. But the things and experiences you don't have, the big stuff you're here to manifest, you want to feel joyous, confident, and empowered about them now. You want to feel grateful for these parts of your reality as well, because you want, perhaps badly, to be successful in these areas of your reality too. But how can you possibly be joyous, confident, empowered, grateful, when the simple, undeniable, inescapable fact is that you are not manifesting it as you desire? You do not have it yet. I created a way to authentically engage that system, and I want to share it with you today. I created a method of harnessing the joy, the confidence, the empowerment, and the gratitude of already manifesting something before you manifest it, and employing that power to intentionally manifest something important that you aren't manifesting yet. It's called my penny experiment. It's my most popular video by far on my YouTube channel, Why Quantum Physicists. It's even featured in Pam Grout's New York Times bestseller, E Cubed. My penny experiment is famous and popular because it's a simple experiment that works wonders. It generates authentic optimism, gratitude, joy, confidence for and about money, as if you are manifesting money as you truly desire, well before you have manifested it as you truly desire. Here is my penny experiment. Start using it today. You're going to manifest pennies. Could any amount of money be easier to manifest than a penny? In fact, pennies might be the easiest single thing to manifest. There are pennies everywhere. People toss them because pennies are essentially worthless. They are very easy to manifest because it's super easy to believe that there is a penny on the floor or the street or the ground anytime and virtually anywhere. Start intentionally manifesting pennies on the floor, the street, and the ground. With practice, manifesting a penny is child's play. To manifest one, I recommend don't strain, don't eagle eye, don't look for a penny when you need to see one. Instead, look when you will enjoy seeing one. Practice knowing a penny is there and simply discovering it. There really is no pressure, after all, because, for one thing, the penny you manifest isn't going to fulfill your desires for money. Practice letting a penny be there and simply seeing it, finding it, manifesting it. When you look down and there isn't a penny, don't worry. Don't fret and go, "Where is it?" Just say, "Let it go." And remember that manifesting a dirty, worthless penny is easy. Even if you aren't manifesting one in this moment, you will soon enough. Soothe yourself. Say, "I'll manifest a penny when I manifest one." It's okay that you aren't manifesting one right now. Remind yourself that there is no pressure and there's no timetable to fulfill. Let it go. And get back to practicing confidence that you can and will manifest a penny soon enough. And when you do manifest a penny, pick it up. Hold it in your hand. Celebrate what it symbolizes. A reminder from the quantum field of how effortlessly it can co-create anything with you, especially money. Squeeze the penny. Feel its weight. Feel its substance. Celebrate the penny you've just intentionally manifested. Celebrate it as energy, as a goose from the universe, as a literal, tangible emblem of wealth, of money, of abundance, of possibility, of potential, of opportunity, of infinite creativity, of ease. Do this privately, singing the praises of your penny to the high heavens. Go overboard. Gush about how this penny is reminding you of the quantum field's infinite abundance, its unbridled creativity, the ease and effortless simplicity of its creations, And the quantum field's unlimited ability to manifest anything with you, especially money. I do this privately every single time I find a penny. And I've never shared this before, but I'm going to reenact for you exactly how I privately celebrate manifesting a penny. When I look down and see that I have manifested a penny, I pick it up and I sing a song to myself. It goes like this. Thank you, 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 thank you. Usually 2 choruses. And then I privately repeat, thank you for reminding me that abundance is child's play. Thank you for reminding me that scarcity is a lie that exists only in my mind. Thank you for reminding me that anything is possible and that the only thing separating me from money are my beliefs. At any time, you and I can manifest anything. Thank you for reminding me of that. Woo! And that energy state I arouse within, it's a fireball. It stays with me for a long time. It's 100% authentic and 100% believable to my subconscious, because everything I'm celebrating and how I'm celebrating it is all true. I am not celebrating the monetary value of that penny. I am celebrating what that penny epitomizes, what it represents, what it reminds me of, and how it brings energy to me. My penny experiment was a huge part of how I manifested my way out of certain financial and personal disaster all those years ago. My penny experiment changed my relationship with money. It still makes me more open to the potential and possibility of money. It still makes me more optimistic and confident about money. It still makes me joyous and empowers me. Thus, it makes me more successful with money. I still manifest money because of my penny experiment. It's one of my favorite ways to intentionally manifest money still. And it is still changing and growing my relationship with money, allowing me to feel more joyous, confident, empowered, and successful. My penny experiment is not positive thinking. It is not a positive affirmation. This is part of its power. You've probably heard me debunk the notion of traditional positive affirmations as manifesting tools for the parts of your reality you haven't been manifesting as you truly desire. Because your subconscious knows that positive affirmations are constructed feelings. They are harsh but true lies. So while your subconscious has no qualms with you experiencing the feelings that positive affirmations give you, it will not allow them to change your beliefs. Trying to manifest money using traditional positive affirmations is like using a pool float with a leak. It will work for a short time, but it requires constant, repeated inflation. My penny experiment is all truth. First of all, a penny is actually money. It does have real monetary value. And what you're actually celebrating is real also. A penny can easily serve as a symbol for abundance, possibility, potential, ease, and other things. It might not be anywhere close to the dollar value you truly desire, but you will have no qualms about allowing it to symbolize those things for you. Thus, when you manifest pennies using my penny experiment, you are truly speaking to your subconscious, and your subconscious is taking notes. And now, my quantum tip. A brief, powerful takeaway that you can employ in your intentional manifesting right now. A few years ago, my wife and I hired an environmentally friendly pest control company to get rid of mosquitoes in our yard. One of the best parts was how inexpensive they were. Toward the end of the summer, though, we both agreed the mosquitoes really were as bad as ever. Truth be told, the company hadn't made a difference, and my wife suggested we call another. "No way," I exclaimed. "We can't switch companies, because this one is so cheap." Seriously, don't be like me. Don't cling to paradigms, ideas, and methodologies that really aren't working like you need or want them to, simply out of familiarity. Change what you're doing and how you're doing it when it's warranted based on the feedback you get from your version of reality and the feelings it elicits. Thank you for sharing your time with me today. I really appreciate your investment in Manifest the Big Stuff. It wouldn't be the same podcast without you. In that vein, please accept a free gift from me. Go to my website, whyquantumphysicists.com, and there you'll find a free book waiting for you called How Reversing 7 Words Can Change Your Life. This life-altering book will give you a quick peek into the quantum paradigms from which all of this emerged. And would you do me a favor? While you're there, please ask me a question about intentional manifesting that I might answer on Manifest the Big Stuff. You can use my contact form, or if you click the little microphone in the blue circle at the bottom right corner of my website, you can leave me a voicemail. Thank you for sharing your time with me. I couldn't ask for a more precious gift, and I look forward to sharing more time together real soon.